There is me in Sakae, the ATM, trying to get some shit going now. There's my bro Shane.
What's up?
And there's this very Hawaii. It's cushy this. It's cushy. Yeah, very beautiful.
Tatemo.
Nice video. Video.
もう一回ビデオなの？ビデオだって。
Video, hi. So say hi to Jamaica. Maika? Shiha? So where you guys going today? Your club? ID
again.
No, 行く？
No, again. We go there. Yeah.
Sorry.
行きましょう。ID なぜ？
So you dance?
楽しいよ。
あ、高桑さん。
Is she?
お友達、フレンズ。ビデオなんだ。
He's drunk.
Yeah, what's up?
He's from Austria.
And now I won't get a job anymore because I'm on the internet.
Blah blah blah. Blah 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 blah.
Look at my team. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I have to fat to myself. Ah yeah.
Move. Great. So apparently the ATM working hours are locked for my bank. That means I can't get to go and rave with the girls in ID. They were so cute though. Shit. They were cute as well. What is it? What is that?